Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is McCleskey. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, and I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review on this mirror from Self Style. So Self Style was kind enough to send this to me to try out, so I wanted to do a first impressions with you guys for this video so you can see how it works along with me for the first time. And at the end of the video, if you guys could just comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on this mirror and how you think my hair turned out. Mostly the back of my hair, because I'm trying to test out if I can see the back of my head better with this, because I usually have some trouble with that. So if you do like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the little notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So what it is a mirror that you can take traveling with you, and it's supposed to be so that you can see yourself at all angles and just make getting ready a lot easier, especially when you're traveling. So it comes like this, and then you can actually just fold it open. So then it has 3 angles like this, and then you can just fold it right back up, and it's pretty convenient, or it seems like it'll be convenient, especially if you're going to be going somewhere where you might not have the best mirror, or if you need like a few people getting ready at one time. So then it has on the back, it has these little hooks like this. There's 2 of them just on the center part. And then what you do is you just hang it over a door. And I know you're probably like, how are you going to see yourself way up there? So it actually pulls down like this. And then you can adjust them so you can see like the back of your head. So I can see myself, I can see the back of my head in this mirror over here. So the reflection from here to here. And just from first glance, it seems like I will be able to see like the back of my head and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with curling my hair. So to curl my hair today, I'm using this Beach Waver S1. And this is really convenient if you're somebody who has a hard time curling your hair in general. So what you do is you clamp your hair in this clamp, and then it has buttons so it actually spins by itself. And then after you've released your curl, you just push this home button and it spins back to the home spot. So what I do, I take just like maybe a 1-inch section of my hair, I clip the end, then depending which way you want your hair to curl, inwards or outwards, you just push the button, hold it for a few seconds, then just release it and drop your curl. And then just push the home button, and you do that over and over until your whole head is done. So it just makes it super easy. I like to clamp it like 1 inch or 2 up from the bottom of from the end of my hair, just because I feel like that gives me the most like beachy looking waves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the sides of my hair, and then I'll come back and do the back of my hair with you guys. With the back now, if I put the mirror together more, like if I move this side in and look over here, now I can see the back of my head. So just going to keep showing you how I can see the back of my hair with this mirror. It's a little bit difficult, I guess, but it's probably because it's my first time using it and I'm kind of short, so it doesn't come down quite far enough for me, and I'm 5'5", but I definitely can see like the sides of my hair better. It's just hard to see the way ends of my hair because I am short and my hair is long. So I wanted to give any of you short people a little advice. So I pretty much got all of it, so I'm just going to get the last couple pieces and finish up and then let you know my thoughts on this. I normally miss these little like straggler pieces because I can't see behind my head like in a normal mirror. So I know you could like hold a mirror and look in another mirror, but this is actually making it easier for me as I'm going with the back of my head. So my hair just loses curl really fast, so sometimes I have to go over pieces a few times. So if I'm skipping any footage, that's why, just because it's kind of repetitive. Just kind of redoing these front ones. I naturally have like a cowlick in my hair right there, so it always looks like I have wings. So I know some of the ends might look like they're not completely curled on the bottom, but that's because, like I said, I kind of leave the bottom like inch or two just to make the curls look a little like looser and more of a beachy wave. This is supposedly what the Victoria's Secret fashion show uses on the models. So I always try to get my curls to look like that. I don't know if I'm successful. I don't have model hair. Like, my hair is not that long and healthy and pretty, so I try though. My hair is weird in this one spot too, so I just gotta do that. Have you guys tried a curling iron like this before, or do you just use like a normal curling iron or a wand? What do you guys like to use? I kind of go between this, my normal curling iron, and a wand, just depending what look I'm wanting. So then, just to give it a little more volume, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in my hair. It's from Big Sexy Hair. It's the powder play. So it's just a volumizing powder. And what you do is you sprinkle just a little at the roots. And that's a lot, but I'm trying to look in my camera monitor. So you just sprinkle it wherever you want the volume. You could put it in your hand too and then do this if you're worried about getting too much. But you just sprinkle it at your roots or wherever you want volume. If you want your curls to look a little more volumized, you could even take some in your hand and then just kind of like run it through your curls, and it'll just make them look a little more volumized. I mean, usually I would like sprinkle it in my hair and then kind of fluff it up, but it's hard to do looking in the monitor right now. So I just kind of let the curls sit for a minute, and then I do this before I put any hairspray in, just so I can really work it into my hair and into the roots. You can even do it before you curl your hair if you want. It's really up to you. And then after that, I'm just going to do some hairspray. This is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. And I just kind of pick up my curls a little, give my hair, woo, whoops, give my hair a spritz. Oh my god. Wow. I just inhaled that and I still kind of have a cough, so it just got me. Normally it doesn't make me cough, but I got it in my mouth. So after you give it a spray, just kind of run your fingers through your hair. This will give you more of that beachy look. And I just like to use a light hairspray like that one so it doesn't weigh down my hair. And if you get like any frizzies on the ends, you can always take like a pomade type and just kind of run it through there, which is what I usually do too. So as you can see, my hair just loses its curl really fast. So I kind of have to go back to some of them. Usually I only curl my hair if like my hair is a couple days dirty and I just washed it last night, so it's a little too clean right now. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. I'll show you the back too, just so you can see. Tell me if you guys see any missing spots. I can't see any, so I think the mirror worked well. I guess my final thoughts are that it's really convenient for traveling, especially. Like I said at the beginning, you can just fold it up, put it in your bag, and you can hang it on any entryway or doorway. You could maybe fit it, I guess if there's like a curtain rod and you want to get ready right in front of a window, you could hang it on the curtain rod too. But I mean, if you break something like a curtain rod at a hotel, don't come for me. But it's not very heavy, so I mean, it's not gonna like weigh anything down. I will definitely use it again to like do my hair. I could also see it being really helpful for doing my makeup, like if I want to do winged eyeliner, because sometimes if I'm looking just straight on in a little mirror, I have a hard time seeing if my wings are even or not. So I think this would be really nice to just kind of see from both sides of my face straight on. I can just look side to side with my eyes and I can see if my makeup's even or not. So those are my thoughts on it. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you think this would be something that would be useful for you, you can get it on their website, selfstyle.com. So as I said, just let me know what your thoughts are on this mirror. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how you think my hair turned out. Does the back look good? Does it not look good? If you did like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, turn on the little notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.